In lesson 6.5, our thinking generator, which expression is not the same as 5 times 3/4? We're going to see this a lot more today, so I want you to think about it. 5 times 3/4, you would be 5 times 3 over 4. You multiply the top two, so 5 times 3 times 4 is the same. And then when you multiply that together, that is equal to 15 over 4, which b is the same. 5 times 3/4 would be 3/4 plus 3/4 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is the same. What is not the same is when you're multiplying 3/4 times 3/4 5 times. So 5 times 3/4 is like repeated addition, but it's not repeated multiplication. So D is not the same. Our warm-up. This is similar to what we're going to see as well. So for each scenario, use the model provided to complete the table. Our expression is 5 times 1/2. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and each one is a half. Each one shows a half. So what would the solution be? And really, you just have to solve the solution. This would be 1 whole plus a half. So it's 2 1/2. You could also say it's 5 over 2, which is equal to 2 halves. With this one, if I do the multiplication first, 4 times 2/3, we would have 8/3. What is that? So we have 2/3, 2/3, 2/3, and 2/3. If we take this one and put it here, that gives us 1. If we take this off and put it here, it gives us 2. And then we've got 2 left. So we've got 2 wholes and 2/3. So 2 and 2/3, which would be the same as 8 and 2/3. I think about it. So we're going to be solving these. And we're going to be looking at 3 different ways. So I have laid out 3 equations. It's all the same equation. And I want you to see step by step. If you're given 15 times 3/5, first thing you would do is you would rewrite it like 15 times 3 over 5. So 15 times the 3 is very clearly up top, and the 5 is the denominator below. And when you'd solve that, you can just create 15 times 3 is over 5. So this would be the same equation. And then when you multiply this out, 15 times 3 is 45 over 5. And in order to simplify 45 over 5, you'd have to divide 45 divided by 5. Remember, fractions is like division. 45 divided by 5 is 9. So our answer here is 9.